We need to get these generators to the people of Jamaica. Look at all of these planes piled up. Private plane owners of Fort Lauderdale. We need 2 500-pound generators to be delivered to the people of Jamaica.
Jamaica, we here, baby. We are here, Jamaica.
We've all come together to do what we can, but my thing is going to be providing power, because you all know
The plane was donated. Shout out to PJ Cab. Got the plane fully loaded, and now we're about to load. We got all the supplies. Reach out worldwide, ROWW.org. We got real relationships here with the political figures, the Prime Minister and everybody here. They've allowed us to bring all of this in with no tariffs, no charges. They know that we're not here to make no money on any of this. This is not going in anybody's store for anybody to make no money. We're going straight to the people. Straight to the people with this.
No.